So our next topic is mixed dentition. Mixed dentition stage is the period during which both mixed dentition stage is the period during which both primary and permanent teeth are present in the mouth. Transition from the primary dentition to the permanent dentition begins at 6 years of age with the eruption of permanent first molars and permanent incisors. Now see, there are different periods of mixed dentition in which first is first transitional period जिसमें क्या क्या changes मिलते हैं. There is eruption of first molar and there is replacement of incisors. Next is intertransitional period in which no significant change takes place. Then is second transitional period in which there is replacement of canine and deciduous molar. Now first transitional period, where we will see the eruption of molars and the replacement of incisors. First of all, eruption of first permanent molar. See, this here explains the early mesial shift. This here explains the early mesial shift which we saw in primate spaces, that the primate spaces are utilized in early mesial shift. See, in cases with spaced primary dentition and flush terminal plane, means the primary molar relationship is straight line and the primary dentition is spaced. What happens at about 6 years? The permanent mandibular molars erupt. Okay, they close the primate space distal to canine. Then the flush terminal plane is converted into mesial step and the permanent maxillary molars erupt in class 1 molar relationship. See, what is happening is कि first of all जब 6 years of age हो रही है तब जो permanent mandibular molars हैं वो erupt होंगे. Now permanent mandibular molars जो हैं तो वो कहाँ erupt होंगे? Distal to second primary molar, because the primary first and second molars are replaced by permanent premolars or only premolars, right? So what would happen is कि at about 6 years the permanent mandibular molars would erupt, and because they will exert a force and they would close the primate space which is present distal to canine. Then the flush terminal plane would be converted into a mesial step. Why? Because जो distal to canine की जो space है जहाँ पे वहाँ पे कौन आ जाएगा? प्राइमरी फर्स्ट मोलर. प्राइमरी फर्स्ट मोलर आ गया, इट इज़ शिफ्टेड मेजियली. सो जो फ्लश टर्मिनल प्लेन है वो कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा किस में? मेजियल स्टेप में. देन परमानेंट मैक्सिलरी मोलर्स जो हैं वो इरप्ट होंगे तो दे वुड इरप्ट इन class 1 molar relationship. This is called early mesial shift. It is seen in spaced primary dentition with flush terminal plane. In closed dentition this is not possible. Then is replacement of incisors or incisal liability. See, there are two similar terms for this. One is incisal liability, second is incisal labiality. In primary cases, the incisors we have seen they erupt vertically, whereas in permanent dentitions the incisors erupt little bit labial. This is called incisor labiality. Next is incisor liability. What is it? It is the difference between the amount of space needed for the permanent incisors minus the amount of space available. See, the mesodistal width of permanent incisors is more than the primary incisors, so the erupting permanent incisors require more space for proper alignment. A favorable incisal liability exists when the primary dentition is an open dentition और unfavorable situation होगी in closed dentition. देखो क्या बोल रहा है, mesodistal width मतलब टूथ की चौड़ाई, it is more इन परमानेंट इंसाइजर ऑब्वियसली एंड प्राइमरी इंसाइजर्स की कम होती है. तो इरप्टिंग इंसाइजर्स को ज़्यादा स्पेस चाहिए फॉर प्रॉपर अलाइनमेंट ताकि वो क्राउडिंग ना कॉज कर सके. बट अगर डेंटिशन स्पेस्ड है, परमानेंट प्राइमरी डेंटिशन स्पेस्ड है, तो ऑब्वियसली इरप्टिंग इंसाइजर्स के लिए स्पेस ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल रहेगी. इफ़ द परमानेंट प्राइमरी डेंटिशन इज़ क्लोज डेंटिशन तो अनफेवरेबल सिचुएशन होगी. नाउ what is the value of incisal liability? In maxilla it is 7.6 mm, whereas in mandible it is 6 mm. स्पेस डिस्क्रिपेंसी जो क्रिएट होगी इट इज़ कंपनसेटेड बाय 3 मैकेनिज़म्स. अब स्पेस डिस्क्रिपेंसी कब क्रिएट होगी? क्लोज डेंटिशन में. सी मैक्सिला में 7.6 mm है, वो कैसे कंपनसेट हो रही है, और मैंडिबल की 6 mm कैसे कंपनसेट हो रही है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 3 mm जो है वो कंपनसेट होता है बाय इंटरडेंटल स्पेसिंग इन मैक्सिला एंड 2 mm ऑफ इंटरडेंटल स्पेसिंग इन मैंडिबल. देन लेबियल इरप्शन होता है परमानेंट इंसाइजर्स का, तो ऑब्वियसली आर्च में ज़्यादा स्पेस बनेगी. सो मैक्सिला में 2 mm स्पेस बनती है, मैंडिबल में 1 mm. एंड देयर इज़ इंक्रीज इन इंटरकनाइन विड्थ which we have already seen during safety valve mechanism, which leads to the compensation of space discrepancy by 4 mm in maxilla and 3 mm in mandible. Now interdental spacing. See, spacing of primary dentition, which is physiologic or primate, helps in alignment of incisors. Next, लेबियल इरप्शन ऑफ इंसाइजर्स. प्राइमरी इंसाइजर्स जो हैं वो अपराइट होते हैं, द रिप्लेसिंग परमानेंट इंसाइजर्स वो लेबियली प्रोक्लाइंड होंगे, हेंस वाइडर आर्च में रहेंगे लाइक दिस. कैन यू सी द लेबियल इरप्टिंग परमानेंट इंसाइजर? There is increase in intercanine width which occurs during eruption of permanent incisor. So this is it. This is about the first transitional period. Let us revise it once again. The stages of occlusal development. Pre-dental में face और jaw distally present होगा. There would be vertical gap between the gum pads, and the lower gum pad would completely overlap the upper gum pad in anterior and posterior direction both. In deciduous dentition, what are the key points? Deep bite present रहता है, initially वो change हो जाता है to edge. Then developmental spaces present होते हैं, and there is vertical incisor inclination. Mixed dentition में in first transitional period, what happens is eruption of first permanent molar and there is incisor exchange. The eruption of first permanent molar, if there is space dentition and if there is flush terminal plane present in primary dentition, it would be shifting to class 1 molar relationship in permanent dentition. This shift is called early mesial shift because when the permanent mandibular first molar erupts, it closes the primate space which is present distal to the canine, and the flush terminal plane जो है वो convert हो जाता है mesial step में, और फिर जब मैक्सिलरी परमानेंट मोलर इरप्ट होता है तब वो इरप्ट होता है क्लास 1 रिलेशनशिप में. नेक्स्ट इज इंसाइजर लाइबिलिटी. इंसाइजर लाइबिलिटी इज 7.6 mm in maxilla and 6 mm in mandible, which is compensated by 3 different mechanisms. First is exchange of interdental spacing, then is labial eruption of incisors and the intercanine width. Thank you. Keep visiting.